Hi everybody, it's Keith with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Centers in Greeley, Colorado. Just got this one in, got her through the shop, got her all cleaned up. Beautiful little heavy haul day cab, extended cab day cab. It's a 2021 389 extended hood, extended cab. So it has the ultra cab like a stand-up sleeper would. So you get 7 inches more headroom and 10 inches more of floor space. So we'll take a look. It's Quicksilver and Redfire. It's good looking. Just a really nice silver. Just a nice, good looking silver. I think we can keep her clean today. The fire's out here. It's a Redfire Effect. Toe pin up front. We added a couple extra lights on the top of the cab. 20,000 pound steer axle on 4 1/4 tires. Yeah, we've got Michelin's. 425/65 R22.5s. Alcoa wheels. Got the train horn set right there. Didn't do the aluminum air tanks, we just did the, well, we did the aluminum, just did them painted, we didn't do them polished. Def tank, medium def tank, 80-gallon tank on this side. I believe we got a 110 on the other, a 120. It's 200 gallons. 23,000 pound pusher axle, air up, air down. 255/70 R22.5. It's a 276-inch wheelbase. Then we got tall rubber on the back, 11 R24.5s. Also Michelin's XDS2s. We got disc brakes all the way around on this one. And we've got full lockers, full 3-way lockers on. 410 gear ratio on this. Most of my heavies I do a 391 or a 390 gear ratio, but did 410s on this one. It's more of an inner city truck. Holland FW35, 72-inch air slide. Peterbilt air track suspension. Good tough suspension. We got a 120 on this side. So you get 200 gallons total fuel capacity. These are new federal stuff. Obviously, I think if you want those off there, it doesn't look too tough to take off. You really don't want it. And there you can see the extended cab part. See how much more we have here. It's not just clear up here. I'll take you inside here and show you that. See if we can get this hood open. These things are so doggone tall. Love the aluminum hoods. Love the color combo. Really nice. Obviously, it's a 20,000 pound steer axle. Disc brakes. Can't do air ride on these. Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 2050 torque. You can see we added a couple extra lights on the top there. Really looks nice. Just dresses them up a bit. Flip the blow down here. Shut the hood. These engines have been doing very, very well. Jump posts under the hood here. Got a Davco 382 fuel filter. Heated as well. Just love the heavy hauls. This is also a full double frame, front to back. Let's see if we got a weight here. Let's see. 22,518. 22,518 is the weight. Nice platinum interior. The floor mat's already in it. And you can see here you get 10 inches more floor space. A lot of the other trucks out there, it kicks out behind the passenger, or behind the driver's seat, and you don't get the floor space. Fire this one up. Got as full of gauges as we can get, having a PTO switch and three-way lockers. So we got your PTO switch here. Air suspension dump is here. Here's our three-way lockers. There's rear, forward, and inner axle diff lock. And then there's your fifth wheel slide. So we got as much as we could there. I think this one was the Mule, 920 miles on it. Got the aero mirrors, very functional. Little cleaner look. You got the train horn. Nice thing with the extended cabs, you get these pockets above the windshield. Really nice. It's the Ultra cab. 18-speed transmission. That's what you get with the extended cab. Just so nice. If you're going to spend a day in one of these, this is the way to do it. Just a really nice day cab. There's the look down the hood. We didn't do a factory installed CB on this. Put in whatever you want. So I just thought I would show this one to you. It is for sale. Didn't bring it in for anybody in particular, but she's a beauty. Nice colors, good looking truck, plenty of power, 410 gears, 20, 23, 46 axles, 18 speed. So platinum interior, excellent truck. Just give me a call, 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk, couchk, at rushenterprises.com. Or you can text me at the same phone number, 970-691-3877. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Take care.